बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 7A। इट इज़ अ ज्योमेट्री। इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। Acute angle is any angle greater than 90 but less than. We have to fill in the blanks this one। तो इसके लिए हमारे पास जो इसकी डेफिनेशन है एक्यूट एंगल की, दैट इज़ एक्यूट एंगल इज़ एंगल लेस देन 90। इट इज़ देयर विल बी द 90। तो इसमें हमारे पास जो स्टेटमेंट है, इसकी जो डेफिनेशन है उसको हम फॉलो करेंगे कि कोई भी एंगल जो लेस देन 90 हो, 0 से बड़ा हो और 90 से छोटा हो, इट इज़ कॉल्ड द एक्यूट एंगल। एंड सेकंड, इट्स बी पार्ट, an angle which is greater than a right angle. Right angle means 90 angle, but less than 180 angle is called an obtuse angle. इसको हम क्लैरिफाई कैसे करेंगे? इट इज़ द दिस वन, an angle, an obtuse angle is angle is more than 180, more than 90 and less than 180. This is called the obtuse angle. So this is the obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 and less than 180. And next, reflex angle. Its C part. A reflex angle is any angle which is greater than dash but less than. Reflex angle is more than 180. It is a definition that we have copied here. A reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360. So we will write here 180 and it is less than 360 degree. Next, its D part. Two right angles make a dash angle. So in D part, it will be the straight angles. I have copied here the straight line angle is equal to 180, mean to say कि जो लाइन के साथ एंगल होता है कंप्लीट एंगल, दिस इज़ द टू राइट एंगल्स। अगर हम इसको परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करें, एक राइट एंगल 90 का इधर बन जाएगा, 90 का इधर एंगल बन जाएगा। इफ़ वी ऐड 90, इट इज़ अ राइट एंगल, एंड सेकंड राइट एंगल इट विल बी द 180। तो टोटल एंगल विद द स्ट्रेट लाइन इज द 180, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड द स्ट्रेट लाइन, स्ट्रेट एंगल। Next, its E part. An arm of a right angle meets at each other. Right angle meet each other at 90. How? If this is the one line and this is the second line, इनके दरमियान जो एंगल होगा दैट विल बी राइट एंगल्स, दे विल मीट एट दिस पॉइंट, देयर विल बी द एंगल 90। दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट फॉर द राइट एंगल। राइट एंगल इज इक्वल टू द 90। दीज टू लाइन्स, दिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन एंड दिस इज द वर्टिकल लाइन्स, दे मीट एट द पॉइंट वेयर द एंगल इज द 90। Now it is the question number 2 that we are going to solve. State whether the following are the true or false. A reflex angle is greater than 180 and less than 360. That we will check it is true or false. Here is the statement. A reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360. So this statement is true, and this is the true option. Next, it's B part. Sum of all the angles on a line add up 180. Yes, it is true. A straight line angle is equal to 180. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के साथ जो टोटल एंगल है दैट इज 180. अगर सारे एंगल्स को हम ऐड करेंगे इट विल बी द 180. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज आल्सो ट्रू. नेक्स्ट इट्स सी पार्ट. Angles at a point add up to 180. This is false. There is no 180 angle at any point that add up to 180. So it is false. It is not true. Angles are always made when two lines join, but at a point there will be no angles added that is equal to 180. So it is the false that the given statement. Its D part. The point where two arms of angle meet is called the vertex. Yes, this is the true, because we will explain this one. One is the this and this is the one arm of angle, and this is the second. At the point where they meet, it is called the vertex. This point is the vertex. Its E part. There are the 90 degree in a straight line. No, it is given us a straight line angle is 180, but here is the 90. So this is the false statement. It is not true. Now it is the question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. It's A part. An angle greater than 0 and less than 90 is. तो इसकी मैंने इधर हमने स्टेटमेंट कॉपी की है. इट इज़ डेफिनेशन. एन acute angle is angle less than 90. It is greater than 0 and less than 90. This is the acute angle. So its correct option is D. It is the D that is the correct option. Next, it's B part. An angle greater than 180 and less than 360. It is called the reflex angle. A reflex angle is more than 180 and less than 360. It is called the reflex angle. It is the B option that is correct. Its C part. Magnitude of a reflex angle adjacent to angle ABC is 360 minus ABC. Its D is correct. I will explain this one. Like this is the, if this is the point A, this is B, and this is C. This is ABC angle, and it will be 360 is the total angle of the circle around the point, and it will be subtracted from the 360, that is the angle ABC. So it will be the reflex angle, or the magnitude of the reflex angle, that is the this outer angle. It is the reflex angle. So its option D is the correct. Now its D part. An angle with the magnitude 360 minus 220 minus 256 252. To explain this angle, 360 minus 252, if we subtract, it is 108. This angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. So it is the obtuse angle. And what is the definition of obtuse angle? An obtuse angle is more than 90 and less than 180. So this is the obtuse angle, that is the 108. Difference of the 360 minus 252, it is obtuse angle. Option A is the correct. Its last part, that is E part. Number of right angles in a straight lines are, these are 2, because a straight line angle is equal to 180. अगर हम इसको, it is 180, अगर इसको हम टू पार्ट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, it will be 90 on this side and 90 on the right side. It will be, if we add 90 angle plus 90 angles, these are called the right angles. Two right angles, if they will be added, it will be the 180. This is the straight angles. So its option B is the correct.